Let's talk about accessories. These accessories you're going to see on just about every single project. They're extremely common and they're things that you're going to need to be familiar with. The first one is a pipe boot. Now this actually goes onto the roof line. They install it and slide it down over the pipe and they shingle over the top. So a lot of times you've got some type of plumbing pipe coming up through the roof line, and we use this to go over the top of that just to ensure that no rain gets into it. You can also, these are referred to a 3-in-1, and that's because you can see these sections here, they're actually made to be removed to fit your different sizes of pipes. The next product I want to show you is called a turtle vent. Now this turtle vent right here, it's obviously just a standard square aluminum vent. More times than none these are being removed and then a ridge vent actually installed on the ridge line across the home. But in some cases we'll be replacing these. More times than none, again, they are being removed or just painted to suit the home. The next product I want to show you is called MP1. Now MP1 is basically just a caulk. It works the same way. It goes into a standard caulking gun, but this is used to cover exposed nails in the event that there's something that can't be covered by a shingle. For example, on the end of a ridge line, that last shingle, there's no way to cover it. So those nails, they have to be sealed in with this MP1. The next product I want to show you is called Ice and Water Shield. So Ice and Water Shield, it comes in a roll like this. As you can see, it's just like a tar based, it's a self-healing membrane that goes down inside the valleys. It's just an extra layer of protection, and it's actually coated in most of the areas to go ahead and cover the valleys with that. So there's two different felts that we use here at American Roofing Company. The first one is your standard 15-pound felt. It looks like this. It comes in a roll. This roll will cover 4 squares. It's also referred to as tar paper. As you can tell, it's just a thin asphalt-based paper. That's your standard go-to. The second type of felt that we install is called synthetic felt. Now synthetic felt, it's a newer item on the market, but it's top quality. It's the best that there is. We actually have our own made. It's got our own logos on it and everything like that. It comes in a 10 square roll, but as you can see here, it's like a tarp. It's a tarp-like material. It's very durable, and it is the best that they have on the market today. Now let's talk about cap nails. Now a cap nail looks like this. It's just a small plastic capped nail, and it's used to attach the felt in most cases. You can also use staples, but typically we just use a cap nail. It comes in a bucket like this, and typically we use 1 or 2 of these on every single project. The second type of nail that we use here is called a coal nail. Now these coals right here, they actually go into a gun, then they unravel as you use them. These are actually the nails that are used to attach the shingles. Typically you can get around 20 squares per box of these. Now I want to show you drip edge. Drip edge is another one of those code items that actually has to be installed per International Roofing Code. It's a real basic design, but essentially this lip right here that comes down, it just diverts the water off of it. It's laid across the roof and then it's nailed across the top here. The shingles lay over the top of that, and that actually is one of the best systems that you've got on the market to divert that water off your fascia boards into the gutters, whatever the case may be.